What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, The Tatted Investor. In today's video, I'm going to take you through my step-by-step process to hunt rental arbitrage Airbnb short-term rental units. I'm going to share how to make the most out of this thriving, lucrative business so that you can get the most bang for your buck. Today, I'm spilling the secrets on a game-changing strategy for your rental arbitrage business, leveraging the power of social media. Whether you're scrolling through Facebook groups or Craigslist ads, these are gold mines of opportunity to find your first Airbnb property. It's a strategic hunt for the perfect space to turn into a profitable Airbnb rental. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of navigating these platforms. When it comes to Facebook, join local housing communities and rental groups. There are virtual communities buzzing with potential opportunities. Refine your searches using specific keywords such as short-term rental or vacation property to filter out all the noise. Then engage with posts and comments to strike up relationships that could prove and lead to unlisted opportunities. Now on Craigslist, precision is key. You need to craft detailed search queries, including location, budget, and property specifics. Now, frequent checks on both of these platforms are crucial because new listings pop up all the time. Also, don't shy away from reaching out to landlords directly. Sometimes the best deals aren't publicly listed. You have to remember, it's not just about finding a specific property. It's about identifying a hidden gem with potential for profit. Utilize these platforms' messaging features to initiate conversation. Ask about the property conditions, potential for short-term rentals, and negotiate terms that align with your arbitrage strategy. But wait, our digital quest doesn't end with those two social media platforms. Let's explore the vast landscapes of dedicated real estate platforms such as Zillow or Redfin. These sites are treasure troves of potential Airbnb properties just waiting to be uncovered. On Zillow, much like Craigslist, utilize advanced search filters to narrow down your preferences. Specify property types, price ranges, and even look for keywords like investment or potential rental income. Also, keep an eye on the Make Me Move listings, as homeowners might entertain the idea of turning their property into a short-term rental. Now, Redfin offers a similar playground for property hunters. I suggest that you utilize and leverage their map search feature to specifically explore certain markets in certain areas and filter your market based on your investment criteria. Also, look out for homes that have been on the market on these websites for a while now. The rule of thumb is 30 days or more, because that's a month's worth of rental income that they are missing out on. These tend to present negotiation opportunities. Engage with the real estate agents on both of these platforms. They often have insights into upcoming listings that aren't even available yet. They can also guide you towards properties that would be great for rental arbitrage. Do not hesitate to schedule viewings and gather as much information as you possibly can. But hold on to your hats yet again. Our journey for rental arbitrage hunting does not end with just social media and virtual marketing. There is an immense value in stepping into the real world in your local markets, connecting with local real estate investors at all of the local meetups in your city. These events aren't just gatherings. They're opportunities to tap into the wealth of knowledge, experience, and potential collaboration. You need to attend these meetups armed with your criteria and your specific goals. Engage in conversation with seasoned investors. Typically, people get a microphone at the beginning and they announce what they do and how long they've been doing it, so you can pick out who you want to talk to at the end, where people get to chat and really take opportunity to converse and network. Networking is the name of the game. Cannot say that enough. And as I stated a minute ago, you might stumble upon off-market deals or again, gain insight into upcoming opportunities. Forming relationships with other investors opens doors to joint ventures and potential partnerships. You might find someone willing to share their expertise or even team up on an Airbnb project. I've done that with 90% of my deals. Local investors often have insider information about market trends, regulatory changes, and again, hidden gems that might not be readily available online. Now that we've covered all of the digital landscape, let's discuss a crucial step in your Airbnb arbitrage journey: picking the right market. Choosing the correct market can literally make or break your venture. So let's delve into key things for consideration. Start by researching market trends and demands. Look for areas specifically for influx of tourism or business travelers, or just simply events that attract tourism, like a major concert or a major sports event. When is that happening? At that point, analyze the occupancy rates, the average rental prices, and any upcoming developments that might impact the local market. All right, next, consider the regulatory environment. Some cities have really strict short-term regulations, while others are very, very Airbnb friendly. Understanding the local laws and regulations is essential to avoiding potential pitfalls. Evaluate the overall economic stability of the area. A thriving market often translates to higher demand for short-term rentals. Check unemployment rates, job growth, and major industries to gauge the economic health of your chosen market. Also, factor in the seasonality of the location. Some areas experience a pretty high fluctuation in tourism based on the weather and the season. Understanding these patterns can help you plan and optimize your Airbnb listing for maximum occupancy. Lastly, trust your instincts, but validate it with data. I need you to attend local real estate events, talk to the residents, and get a real feel for the community that you want to work in. Your personal connection can greatly impact your success in turning a property into a profitable Airbnb. Now, once you've narrowed down your market, the next crucial step is to comp the property using a reliable and powerful calculator. One such tool is called B&B Calc. I'll include the link in the description below. This step is like having a crystal ball for your potential Airbnb success, as it helps you estimate the revenue you can generate from any specific property that you put into it. B&B Calc and similar revenue calculating tools consider various factors such as location, property type, amenities, and local demand. Plug in the details of your prospective property and let the calculator just simply work its magic. It provides insights into things such as the average nightly rate, occupancy rates, and potential annual revenue based on historical data and the market trends. Now, I need you to take the time to analyze these results that you're pulling up critically. Look for the properties that align with your investment goals, whether it's maximizing revenue, achieving an occupancy rate of a specific standard, or simply balancing both. Consider the pricing strategy and adjust variables to see how it impacts your potential income. Remember, comping property data is not just about numbers. It's about making very, very informed decisions. B&B Calc can be your guide to determining whether your property aligns with your financial objectives and helps you avoid potential pitfalls. Remember, the journey to turn a property into a profitable Airbnb is a thrilling one, filled with strategic hunting, insightful connections, and data-driven decisions. You have to remember that success in this business lies within the details. From your initial social media searches to the careful considerations of your markets and the dynamics therein. If you're ready to embark on this exhilarating adventure, hit that subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and insider insights as I navigate the world that I'm bringing to you. Remember, your dream Airbnb property might be literally one click away. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and until next time, stay tatted, stay invested.